Hey everyone, I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we are going to be doing Topbox. Oops, don't look at my address unless you want to send me something. And I think I'm going to do the editor's box. Now I've had the Luxebox editor box for about a couple of weeks. It's literally sat like this. I opened it, I looked through it, and I was like, and I was very angry and upset. You'll have to, I'm not sure if you can hear the rain right now, but it is raining pretty bad. So this is July's Topbox. I did ask for a Prive box, and I did get one. I'm not sure which one it is, but I have a feeling I might know. So, to start, Topbox is a Canadian subscription. It is $12 plus taxes in all of Canada. You will pay taxes depending on your province. It ships out usually the 15th of each month, but not always, and not necessarily. So it is a monthly box. You pay on the 20th, and then between the 24th and the 28th, they send out an email. You need to be on that email because oftentimes they'll send you a wish list so you can upgrade to a Prive box, and then at the end of that, at the end of the survey, it'll ask you if you want a $10 add-on. Not all the time, not every month, but every other month, and then sometimes they throw in an extra month. This time there was no add-on, so we don't have that. The Luxebox right here is a quarterly subscription. It is the sister box to Topbox. So with Luxebox, you get this once a season, and then they have editor's box in between. The box for last month was absolutely great. It was phenomenal, and they canceled my account and said they would send me one that was comparable. And you're gonna laugh about why they said it was comparable. So anyway, let me get into this box. Usually I open up these boxes beforehand so that I don't have to fight with tape. Yep, there is a reason why I do this, but I got so excited today because well, I think that was a little easier. I'm a dum-dum today. So, I was able to get this. I don't know if you guys have watched my previous. This was supposed to be sent to me by Ipsy. They said they couldn't because they didn't have any more in stock and blah, blah, blah. But somebody had this for sale, and I was able to snag it. And that person, named Nancy, made me very happy. These are beautiful colors. I'm actually wearing them. I don't know if you can see them. It's a nice close-up of me. Hi. Oh, I know, sorry. It is beautiful. I love it, and I can't thank you enough for putting it up for sale and not wanting it because it has found a wonderful home among my collection. And I use my Ipsy brushes, and I love them, and my hair is acting all funny. Okay, so the Prive choices were a Laneige travel set, Fenty concealer, and 2 washcloths, and I can't remember what the 4th item was. So I asked for Fenty or I asked for Laneige. So let's see. What did I get? What did I get? Anything? Oh, I got Fenty. Yay! Yay! So I didn't check to see how much this was. So I asked for it in the color 120. Because that sounds like a color. I love when they do that. They tape the top, right? Tape, tape, tape. But they don't tape the bottom. Give your head a shake. Ooh, that's awfully pale. Oh, this is awfully pale. It is very, very pale. Maybe be me in the... Oh, you know what? Look at that. Look at that. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Oh, that might not be too bad. I was just out in the sun today, so... Anyway, so there we go. That is definitely a win. I forgot to look up how much this was. I'm so sorry. I'm so scared. Let's get into Luxebox. This is $26 quarterly plus $26 for an editor's box. I believe I got sent this for free. I'm not 100% sure. I was waiting for them to respond to me. and it's a crap. Not gonna lie. So let's see what they compare, what they think is comparable. So this is Mana Kadar Beauty Step 3 Perfect. Step 2 is their Glow, which I got last year. So Glam Glow, I won't complain about that because my daughter and I use that. The one item I'm actually excited for is the Huda. It's a Huda Bullet lipstick in Joyce Ride, but this may be too brown for me. Yeah, you think. I can't even use this. I know this is valued at $33. This makes the whole box worth it, but really, you know, since I don't think I'll be able to get rid of it. It is pretty. I love Huda. There it is there. I don't know, like, maybe I can mix it with a super pink something or other. It's gorgeous though. I love the magnetic top. Let's see what else I got. Revlon Unique 1 Professional Hair Treatment, 10 real benefits. Ipsy does better sizes for $10. The next item I see in here is this lovely, lovely blue shade of eyeliner. I've already promised this to someone. I'm not going to swatch it. You all know what it looks like because you all have it. Thanks, Topbox. Sorry, Luxebox. And I paid for an editor's box and a full box. So they got my money out of me. Now they better deliver. So Dirty Little Secret bronzer. Yep, no use for a bronzer. I tan very easy with. Oh. Yeah. You can see why I'm better. You know, $85 palette, $33 lipstick. Very comparable. Oh, sorry, is this is the comparable because this is eyeshadow, right? Eyeshadow. I mean, it's a bad place. So the last thing I see in here is the Rose All Day Mask. I have lots of these. I love masks, but seriously, I couldn't get any of the other masks that you put out. This box made me so mad that I had to put it down and just walk away from it because I was done. I was done. So anyway, that is my $26. Let's see. Yeah, $26. Oops, sorry. Don't forget my Glam Glow because, you know, that was worth it. Right there. Yep. I should have saved it and went to Sephora and bought a color lipstick I could actually use. Yeah. My link is below if you do want to sign up. I mean, who doesn't want that crap? Anyway, I'm hoping that the fall box is a lot better, and I apologize for the saltiness. I am just really fed up with some of these boxes and their very degree of substitutes. When you put out a box with an $85 must-have, beautiful, gorgeous palette from Huda, and then in the next box, you put in a two-step eyeshadow, you are severely missing the point. I'm not saying that everyone needs to have it, but you put in something that is comparable in price, value, and wanting. You don't just put in whatever you have left over and call it a box. It is disgusting. It is absolutely appalling. And you're treating some of your customers like crap. You're saying that some are valuable and others aren't. That's not the message that you should be sending out to your consumers. You should be saying that you're all valuable, you're all wanted, and yes, and show some integrity in these boxes and respond to the emails of frustrations, of disappointment, of utter disgust at what you sent out. This box is not comparable, not in value, not in items. the Huda lipstick is absolutely gorgeous, the packaging, but the color, you could have picked a better color, a more popular color. I can't fathom the person that decided that this is the box that they should send out to people who are paying $26 for the editor's box after seeing the amazing box that they sent out with a NARS concealer. Like, where's my concealer? I didn't get a concealer. I didn't get the value. I didn't, like, I don't even think my box made it to $50. You put in items that you've already been in your box, you make this box seem like it's whatever you had left over from the previous boxes from Topbox. That's not right. And Luxebox, you need to make this up to your customers. You canceled my account on me without even asking my consent, and then you send me this. This is the box you sent me. I really hope the person that came up with that box understands the frustrations that they provided me with. I am absolutely appalled. And there are quite a few people that actually paid for the summer's box that didn't have their box canceled, and they didn't get the Huda palette. And I'm not sure if they got the NARS concealer as well, but I mean, why couldn't you put the Huda palette in one and then the NARS concealer in another, and then put some sort of nice eyeshadow in the other box? Not a two-step, not this. This is not comparable to that. You know, let's see here, like, this would have been nicer. Or, you know, a Smashbox one that isn't as expensive, but is just as nice. Those would have been nicer. Why not put in these little Huda ones? They're wanted. By the way, 2 of these come from Ipsy. I paid $12 for each of these. American. $16 Canadian. So if they can do it, why couldn't you? Why couldn't you sit down and come up with a comparable box? You have months to do this. I am sorry. That's the end of my rant. I am done. I am so frustrated. Thankfully, the boxes are paid for, and I will do an honest review without hating on them for this box when I get my other boxes. I do have a link below if you want to sign up for Topbox or Luxebox, although I like to say don't sign up for Luxebox, but they seem to pull their head out of their butts every once in a while and do provide an amazing box and an amazing valued box with items that are definitely wanted and adored. So if you sign up using my link, I only get a $5 coupon to use towards the Topbox Collective website. If you do, you can get one of boxes. Usually they have boxes for Mother's Day, Father's Day, monthly boxes. They used to have these huge boxes that used to come out once a month, and it would have, like, you know, 12 different shampoo or 12 mini shampoos, and it was great for the summer when you had family over and company and you were traveling. It was great, but they haven't done that in a while. I'm wondering because there was just too many little things and enough full things. But they usually have stuff like that, so I don't really get anything. I do get a $5 coupon, but all my boxes I do pay for, so I do appreciate if you do use my link to sign up. But anyway, this video is long enough, and I'm frustrated, and I'm tired. So I'm going to sign off here, and I want to thank everyone for watching. And so just to recap, this is my top box. This was definitely worth it for me. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Bye.